Okay, guys, happy Monday. This is Countman from Trade for Freedom. We're going to do some stock reviews and have a look at our disclaimer for the next 3 seconds before we move on. All right. Okay. So the first stock we're going to look at today is SPY. Okay. So SPY, I think we've gone through this almost every day because SPY basically tells you the whole market outlook for all the US stocks. So we're expecting a SPY to break towards the upside 70% of the time to break out of this diamond pattern, which also diamond pattern more. There's no flag on that. It's a diamond pattern. We're expecting it to break out to the upside 70% of the time, and our target price is 770. Okay, so price is still ranging around this area. Ultimately, we're looking for the break towards the upside. 30% of the time, it might break towards the downside, but we're still bullish on SPY for now. Okay, so next up, let's have a look at IREN. Okay, IREN, there's a door. There's a door open for the price to move towards the upside. Target price would be about $67 on average. You can see a resistance over here, $68. So maybe $67. We're expecting 67 to $68. We're expecting IREN to break out of this bull flag. So it's a pole, flag, pole. So we're expecting a break towards the upside for IREN. Okay. So next up, we will look at JPM. JP Morgan, let's have a look. Okay, JP Morgan, let's look at the big picture. This is the weekly chart, this is the monthly chart. Okay. Oh, JP Morgan is a really strong stock. We have a wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C, or wave 3. We're waiting for a wave 4 correction or wave 5. So it's super bullish. You know, they are just constantly growing. Okay, they have not slowed down. This is not a fully matured stock, it's still growing on top of that. So its price is really at its premium now at 330. So it's difficult to get in at the top. We got to wait for the wave 4 correction. And so this is the wave A, B of 3. So this is literally the most solid demand zone around this area, okay? This is a solid demand zone here. If price ever gets to around this area, 150, that would be the best time to get in, but I doubt it will come that low. So JP Morgan, we just got to play by ear right now. There's nothing much that we can actually do. Okay, before we move on to the next stock, this is our tradeforfreedom.co. This is our website. This is our dashboard. Dashboard, we have the sector heat map. We've got a lot of details here. So example, today, technology is doing well, up 3.4%. So just click on it, and it will show you the top 10 most best performing stocks, okay? So you can see INTC on top. They're up 15% today, which is pretty cool. And then we've got all the events from all the different priorities, high, medium, and low. Okay, and also all the earnings that are coming up. So sometimes if you guys want to know what's up, you can always look at the dashboard, and you have a watch list. We've got all the categories that you can actually create, and then you can add stocks to, and all these stocks are updated in real time. Join our Discord. Okay, it's almost 200 members. We're looking to get at least 1,000 members in the next couple of months. Upgrade to VIP if you like what you see, what we do in our channel. Okay, next stock we like to look at is Visa. Okay, Visa, I've done this before. Okay, let me have a look. So there's a gap here, there's a liquidity. It grabbed liquidity, it broke the bearish channel, it's on the way on its way up right now. Couple of areas of interest at the bottom, okay, for a pullback. Finally, it took this gap down here, this liquidity, before going towards the upside. So a very strong gap here, okay? So it's still in a bearish channel. Okay, still in the bearish channel, so it's at the top of the channel right now. So if Visa breaks towards the upside, it can go like this. If not, then more often than not, it will just come back and towards this area once again, the demand zone. Okay, that's for V. Let's look at MA. Is it MA? Okay, never mind. Let's have a look at Uber. What's happening with Uber? Okay, Uber is started at $14, went up, and there's a higher low, higher low. I wouldn't say it's like a super bullish stock. Okay, but it's still nevertheless, it's still price is still moving upwards. So basically, this is your wave one, this is your wave two. Then we have wave one, wave two, ABC, wave three, wave four, ABC, wave five. So this is wave A. So literally we have wave one, two, ABC of three. So it's basically now into a B move. So we're looking for a correction and we're expecting price to retrace around, I would say, the 50% mark to about the 44.1. I think this area will be the area of interest, or even now. And there's a lot of support around here as well. So if you guys want to, and also there's also a resistance becomes support. So if price comes anywhere below $66, or even in this region, it's actually a pretty good price to pick up Uber. However, it's slow to move, okay? It's slow. So I don't know if you guys want to like pick up the stock and hold it for a long period of time. Personally, I don't like holding for too long. But I think the cash secure puts is fine if you would like to do that. I think this is a good stock to do the cash secure puts and also the cover calls, the wheel strategy. Because if the price moves sideways, your options get realized pretty quickly. And you're always within the range, which is good. Okay. Next, we have ASTS. Okay, ASTS, let's have a look. Okay, I think ASTS today, we found a scalping opportunity for ASTS on our live channel. There was a nice pattern over here, a nice breakout, and we could you can get in on this trade and ride from here to here. So actually, and also now you're still expecting the price to go down on APLD. That's on the short term. For the long term, it's expanding diagonal. So we're expecting price to initially bounce from here, the left shoulder, but it's still heading down. So I think the next area of support will be around here. So you're looking price to come a bit lower. Okay, I'm going to move this to test this area before going back up. I think that will be our expectation for ASTS. Okay, guys, next stock we'll do is Mastercard MA. So let's have a look at the weekly charts. Let's see. So you have wave one, wave two. Oh, sorry. So we have wave one, wave two, A, B, C, A, B, C. So basically, this is a whole wave three going up. Then you have a sharp wave four and a wave extended wave five. Okay, so it's a really bullish stock. We're expecting a retracement on MA for now. Let's see where it will retrace to. The door is open on the monthly chart. I'm expecting the price to come down. Okay, so there are two areas. One, this will be one support level, and this will be the ending of the market cycle. So if the door is open on the smaller time frame, I'm expecting the price to bounce from here. Unfortunately, for now, door is still closed. So we're still expecting MasterCard to make a push down. Okay. So until it finds the bottom over here, if it does, if not, then it'll probably go down and find a bottom a bit lower. Okay, there's major support at this area. You can see the price has been here for a long period of time before breaking out of this whole entire range. Okay, so it's either it's going to test this area. It's tested once, second try right now. So if this one breaks, we look forward to the price coming around the 380 mark. Okay, so that's for MasterCard. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining us, watching all our videos on X, on YouTube. So be sure to like, follow, and share, and see you guys at the Discord channel. Ciao, guys.